Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is Carla and on this channel I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. Oh, and I share a lot of hauls and unboxings as well. So remember to like and subscribe down below. So in today's video, I have an unboxing. My channel is full of unboxings. I am obsessed with shopping. I am obsessed with shopping. So that's why you end up seeing a lot of unboxings on my channels. If you want to see how I style any of these pieces, you can always check me out on Instagram at Carla.Simon19. I'm also on TikTok and Pinterest. I'm all over the place, but I'm most consistent on Instagram. So let's get into this unboxing. I'm just unraveling these pieces here. I was trying to do like a collective haul, but FedEx isn't trying to let me be great, guys. They're just not trying to let me be great. They're shipping things whenever they want, however they want. Not however they want, but whenever they want. This is an HERMES unboxing, as you can see from the box. Let's open this. I'm sorry, there's like a ton of background noise. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but I'm apologizing in advance. So, and this is upside down, of course. This is the box. You guys already know the orange HERMES box, and yay! I got some shoes. Let's see which ones were shipped because I ordered a couple. So as you all know, on my wish list in January, I wanted the yellow Oran sandals. I don't think these are the yellow ones. I think this is a different shade of yellow. These just appear to be a little brighter. However, do you guys see these beauties? It's picking it, like it's coming up. Let me see. There. That's more of like a true yellow. This is how they look. So when I pull them back a little bit, I'm gonna obviously have to adjust the lighting because I need to adjust the lighting, but I picked up a pair of yellow Oran sandals and I'm so happy. So these are in a size 39.5. I've said this before, when it comes to my Oran sandals, I do have to size a half size up. Sometimes I'm even okay with a full size. If it's something that I've been looking for a long time, I'm okay going with a 40 because it's not that big of a difference, but I cannot get my size because it's that big of a difference. It's pretty tight and uncomfortable, and my heel kind of falls or sits off the sandal, which I do not like. But anywho, I was able to get these yellow Oran sandals, which I will be trying on. The leather is, let's see if it'll, yeah, as you guys can see, it's like, it appears to be a little bit of a different yellow, like it's darker here and lighter here, but they're yellow completely. As I mentioned, they're in a size 39.5. These are the bottoms of them. I'm putting them on my feet right. Oh yeah, see, this is why I know I go with a 39.5 because I know my size. However, I will say that I got them in a size 40 as well. So I will be showing them both to you. I'm not sure if I want to open this because it really doesn't matter. They're the same exact sandals, but I got them in a 40 as well. Maybe what I'll do is I'll just show them to you all on. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do, but I'm pretty sure I'll be keeping the 39.5 because I have them on my feet right now and they fit perfect. They feel nice and loose. It's summer, so my feet also swells, so I know that when I wear them they'll stretch out, but I don't want them to be too big because I know my feet stretch out and I don't want to get, we'll just see. We'll see how the 40 fits, because if I stretch them out too much, then when it comes fall, they might be a little too big because my feet are gonna kind of shrink back, they won't be as swollen, if that all makes sense. If you get what I'm saying, then you get what I'm saying. But I just wanted to share this with you all. I believe the price of this was did this one go up in price as well? Yes, it went up in prices as well. So these were, before tax, these were $660. These sandals used to be $630. I've shared this before, but the price has gone up by $30. So just an FYI, if you notice something's weird, yes, the price has gone up by $30. But yes, that is my unboxing. That's my new pick-me-up. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. If you're not comfortable asking me questions in the comment section down below for any reason, feel free to hit me up on Instagram in my DM. Follow me on Instagram as well while you're there at Carla.Simon19. As I mentioned, I'm also on TikTok and Pinterest. And I think it's also Carla.Simon19. Remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Love yourself and love others as well. But also remember not to let people take your kindness for a weakness. I will see you all in my next video. See you later.